Why do I keep saying the year? That's so weird. Also, I don't know. I don't know why my hair. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the first day of December 2018 box week! Yay! I am so excited to be here tonight with the first day of December 2018 box week. Why do I keep saying the year? That's so weird. Also, I don't know. I don't know why my hair is just like, I need to be the center of focus, but my hair is choosing to just be a brat today. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together, so you're catching us on the last box week of the year, and it's December, and it's Christmassy time, and honestly, I am like really trying to be in the Christmas spirit because I received some tough news today, but it's okay. So I'm actually excited that box week is falling now because I need to spend time with you guys. Like, I need this for what I'm dealing with outside of this little world that we live in, the Just Like Drew crew. Oh, if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, and you're still here, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because you're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight, before we even get into opening up our box, I wanted to show you that we will be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. That is this box here. We started filling this up last month. I'm hoping this box will be full by the end of box week, and then we will give it away to somebody in the YouTube family, and I will post a video when this is full telling you how you can enter to win it. One thing, you will have to be subscribed to my channel, and we are going to be tonight opening up IPSY. What's going on with my voice? Good Lord, oh my goodness, this is such a train wreck. And I really honestly had hoped that this video would not be a train wreck. I did, and it's a train wreck anyway, so I guess I'm gonna just stop hoping for that sort of an out. So, wait, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna be opening IPSY. IPSY is a $10 monthly subscription. If while you're watching this video or at the end of this video you're like, I want to check out that subscription for myself, I have a referral code in the description box below this video for you to check it out and try it. Every month they send you a makeup bag, or you could use it as like a wristlet. Sometimes you can use it for whatever you want, maybe a taco purse, whatever, and they give you 5 items that are in the beauty related category: hair, makeup, nails, skin, stuff like that. I am really scattered, my bad. Okay, well, I'm just gonna get into opening this because, like, I don't see this getting any better from here. Also, they like super glued this bag shut, so I'm like struggling to get it open, but I will overcome. Okay, so I think that's everything inside of the outer thing. All right, this is this month's bag. It's this really pretty gold sequin bag. I like the way that it looks. The only thing that always worries me about sequins, because like I am such a mess, is like that they'll just come off. But I do think it's really pretty for somebody who's not a mess like me. So that's my only feedback. I think it's a beautiful bag. I just don't know if it's meant for me because of my inability to have nice things. All right, so inside they have a little card here that says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. And I don't know what it's talking about because that would just take up even more time in this video. The first thing we have in here today, ooh, it is a makeup brush by Farrah. And it's got a really, really thin, like, end to it, which is kind of weird. I don't know how you would grip that comfortably. Oh, but you know what? Just kidding. It's got like these little grippies, like this ergonomic grippies right there, and it looks like it's a blending brush, so you can just take it and just be getting your makeup looks on. I've been putting this in the giveaway box. I told you guys plenty of times I have tons of makeup brushes, so I always feel like that's something I should be putting in the giveaway box because I have so many. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway box now that I know that it's actually really awesome with the ergonomic dips into it to make it easier for holding. Next item that we have is Arch, I can read, Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Taupe. From the brand Sugar. Okay, so this is like a brow pencil. I actually want to open this and see what it looks like because I don't know if I've ever had a brow pencil from this brand. Hold on. Oh shoot. Ah, there's plastic on here. I can't get it off. Dang it. Okay, struggling. Well, hold on. I'm gonna get it. You know, this is like the good old days. This is like when we first started doing box week where Drew couldn't open anything. I got new nails put on. I really can't do anything with them. It's great. All right, so finally got it open. And it looks like we have, okay, so this side, it's like an angled brow pencil. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand just to see the color. Oh, it's not really, oh, it's really not coming in. Oh, geez. Oh, it's not really writing. It's not doing anything. This is so awkward. Ah! This is awkward. Okay, there we go. A little bit. It's just taupe. So that was really anticlimactic. My bad. And then it's got the little brush on it, so you can just brush out your bushy brows after you fill them in. So we'll see. I don't know. I've never used this brand of brow pencil before, but I feel like I'm getting low on my brow pencil, so I probably should use it. Next we have Nomad Around the World Moonlight by I can't say the name on there. This is embarrassing. Light Infusion Powder. Buttery, super blendable, holographic illuminator in duochrome glow with multi-dimensional prismatic sapphire pearl finish. Ooh. So this is like a highlighter. I'm going to open it up so we can see what it looks like. Also, this is the box. I'm doing a bad job. I accept that. Honestly, if you're new here and you're still here, honestly, I'm impressed. If you're one of the original people, thanks for sticking out with me, because I understand this is a hard thing to be a part of, because it's hard for me to do it. Like, it's hard to be the one experiencing it. Okay. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Ooh, that is so pretty. It is like a purpley highlighter. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's going in the giveaway box. That is going in the giveaway box. Somebody needs to win this and get their like illuminated skin on and just feel fabulous. So that is going in the giveaway box with the makeup brush. All right, next item that we have is Ciate Glitter Flip. I think this is a lipstick in the shade Infamous. Is this a lipstick? Look at that. Okay, we're gonna open it up because this looks really fun. I don't know if I've ever gotten this product before. All right. Ooh. Oh, it's lipstick. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a lip gloss. I'm sort of putting a lot on my hand now. There's no reason besides that I've just started and I'm just gonna keep going with that. So this is the lipstick color. It's really pretty. As you can see, I put a lot on my hand. And yeah, it definitely has like a glitter undertone to it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I like it. So I'm excited to wear that and see what that looks like on my face at some point. The next one that we have is Way Scalp and Body Scrub. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I think I've heard about this. Okay, I have to try. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try this. So this is like, I saw some about this before and I was like, this doesn't make sense. So it's literally like a body scrub, but you can also scrub your scalp with it. So first of all, if you've used this product, can you give me some information? Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I'm gonna be smelling so good. If you can give me feedback on this in the comments below, because it doesn't really say. Okay, refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this. I hope it doesn't like damage my hair. I mean, the Way is a phenomenal hair brand, so I don't think it will, but I'm like, wow, I'm excited. Jeez, that's exciting. And finally, we have Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, we got a brightening purple clay mask. Okay, I've never tried this either, so I'm gonna be keeping this as well. Jeez, I feel bad. I'm sorry that I'm keeping so many products today. And see, I'm finally getting things that I haven't tried before, so it's like that thing where I'm like, okay, I actually need to try this out and see how I like it, but I also feel bad because I want this to fill up this month. So to recap our bag, we got the Nomad Around the World Moonlight Highlighter in that beautiful like prismatic purple shade, and that's going into our giveaway box. We got the Farrah it's called 35E, the blending brush with the ergonomic divots in it to blend out your makeup. That's going in there as well. We got the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, which I'm excited to actually try this out and see how it works. You guys know I'm a face mask junkie, so any new face mask I'm like, give it to me. And then the Ciate London Glitter Flip Lipstick, which is right there, which has a really pretty glitter undertone in the shade Infamous. We got the Way Cosmetics or Way Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub, which I'm honestly think I'm most excited for this product because seriously, like, I've never tried this, and I remember seeing it and being like, how does that work? Tell me more. So I'm excited to try it and see how I like it. And then we also got the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. We got an amazing, amazing bag, like so much stuff. Like seriously, we got like 6 items. Yeah, that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. And then we got the beautiful gold sequin bag, which is just like really pretty. I'm actually gonna put this into the giveaway box. I told you guys, like, I love it, but I don't know if I'd be able to keep it nice, and I'm gonna have hopes that whoever wins this box will keep that very nice. So yeah, so that's everything that I got in this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this train wreck of a video, but to be fair, this is kind of the par for the course that we have on my channel. So that's what I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same. It is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Why am I like so sketchy? I was like, tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week, because we're gonna be here for a whole week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes. How did you do this? Like, bro. I was just